Hi guys, so today I'm going to do my updated skincare routine. It is a bit more. It is a bit more longer than my old one, you know, because 30 is like 6 months away almost. So yeah. Alright, I'm also using a new brush that I got sent to me from this company called Coquette. I'll put it right here. Alright you guys, so the company is called Coquette. I hope I'm saying that correctly. You guys know how I am with words, names, and those types of situations. But this is a silicone electric facial brush. It's for cleaning the face, okay? It's waterproof, it has different speeds, and it's really cute and cool. So I'm going to show you guys what this looks like out the box. It also comes with a, It also comes with a USB cable to charge it. It is rechargeable, so that's great. You would need your own plug. That's the only thing. And this is it right here. Isn't it cute? It has two sides, one with very consistent looking bristles, and then the other one has like a different design on it. So it has like a tip with like harder bristles, and then the rest are really soft. And then this one, I like this side more than the other side, but I use both, doesn't matter. And then you press right here. So you press right here to turn it on, and you can hear it. Okay, and then it has a plus and a minus sign here, so if you want it to go faster, you can go faster. If you want it to go lower, could go lower. This facial brush is a little naughty, I must say. Alright, so this is the back where you will charge it. So you take out this part right here and you plug it in and it charges. You could use this in the shower. I did use it in the shower to see if it will go out or if water would get into it, and it did not, so that's nice. It also has like a little light on the bottom here to let you know when it's on or off. I like the light. Adds a little Shazam glam to it. Alright, so yeah. Thank you guys at Coquette for sending this to me. I really do like it. I still use my other brush, but for now I'm using this one because it's not as abrasive, but it still gets your face really nice and clean. My face is dirty. I went to the mall today. So I have like highway dirt. I drove on the highway with my windows open, so I definitely got all kinds of nastiness on my face, okay? So this is my regular makeup face, by the way. This is the look. It's a very small amount of some type of color on my lip, and that's pretty much it. Maybe some gloss, and I call it a day. Ignore my bun. This is what the wind did. So it kind of like, never mind. Alright you guys, so my face is wet. Okay, I still use the African black soap. If you could find this, definitely get it. It's one of my favorite soaps to use on my face. I do use other soaps like with hyaluronic acid and all that stuff in it, but this is always my go-to, okay? So I'm just gonna rub it on my face. My brush is wet. I'm gonna put it on. I'm actually gonna raise the speed on there, and I prefer this side right here. And I just go. Just rub it in circular motions. I did experience a breakout like the day after I used it. My face was pretty clear actually before I used it, and then when I used it, I experienced a breakout, and I noticed a couple more whiteheads, which I feel is a good sign because that means it's like, you know, getting stuff out. But that was it. So I only had one breakout, like literally maybe the next day after using it, and that's it. And I like that you can use it for a little bit longer on your face because it's not as harsh. Okay, so the side I like is a little rougher. It's not abrasive. It doesn't hurt. It's just a little bit rougher. The other side with the little section right here is softer. So if you have sensitive skin or whatever, you might want to use that side. You just rub it like that. So as you guys could see, it is waterproof. It's in the water, it's submerged. Alright. Okay, once I'm done with that, I rinse. I like to pat dry my face instead of rubbing it. I feel like it keeps you useful. Works in my mind. I'm pretty sure there's someone who would disagree. There's always going to be someone who is going to disagree with whatever opinion, whatever it is you have on YouTube or on the internet, always. Alright guys, so after I'm done washing my face with the silicone electric cleanser little gadget gizmo from Coquetta, I like to go in with this. This is the Pixi Skin Treat Mask. It is like a peel polish mask, and it really just does the job. So if you have like peeling skin and your face looks a little dull or anything like that, I definitely recommend getting this. It's one of my favorites. I don't use it often, only when my face looks like I don't use it often, only when my face looks like it needs a, like, I don't know, rejuvenation. Okay, so you just put a small amount, you don't need a lot, and you just rub it on. You don't have to like do too much, just rub it on. Don't get it in your eye, it will burn. Just rub it in lightly. Don't have to do too much right away. Rub it in. And I'm using this because I feel like my face looks dull. Like it looks like it has a gray layer. That's the best I can explain how it looks. It just looks dead. Like I'm the undead. Like I should be on the new season of The Walking Dead. You know they're gonna come out with another season. Should have been over forever ago. But anyways. Alright, so leave this on for 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. If you want, after you're done with your 2 minutes, rub it in, you know, because it does have little scrubby things in there. Just scrub it in 30 seconds and then rinse. Do not leave it on any longer, okay? You will feel a little bit of tingling, maybe a little bit of burning, like not really bad burning, but like just a little tingling, like something's going on, alright? It'll definitely give you that facial look and feel, and your skin's gonna be super smooth. Okay, so if you have dry skin, textured skin, you may want to try this out. I really like it, so try it out. So if you didn't get it, this is the Pixi Skin Treat, the Peel and Polish Resurfacing Concentrate. Okay, it is a salon peel treatment made easy at home. Natural fruit enzymes exfoliate and polish, lifting away dead skin cells to reveal a more smooth, radiant, and healthy complexion. Okay, use AM or PM, whenever you like. I like to use it at night. Or if I'm going somewhere in the day and it's really like important, I'll use it before I go. So after the 2 minutes, I like to wet my fingers a little bit and then 30 seconds, circular motions. Get all in them crevices. All in my eyebrows. I try to get as close as I can under my eye without getting this in my eye, okay? There's a gnat in here and it's driving me crazy. I'm so overbugged. Okay, so now you rinse. Alright, once you have that rinsed off, pat dry. Like I feel like I don't look as gray. Gray is not really a glowing type color. Skin out. So this is where I had the breakout right after, like the day of using it. It's just left a mark there, but that should be gone by next week because I've really been trying to keep my skin clear. I don't wear makeup every day. I feel like I have to repeat that to some people, but I do not. It's not part of my daily life, like real life. I don't. Alright, so once I get that done, alright guys, so now I'm going to go in with my Glow Tonic from Pixi. I know you see my name there. This is not a collaboration. They just sent it to me and like put my name on there. It was so cute and sweet. Thank you guys at Pixi. So it's basically a glycolic acid exfoliating toner, so, you know, get your glow on. I'm going to use these little cotton pads. Do it. These are super cheap. Oh. It stings a little. So I must say the silicone facial cleansing brush from Coquetta does such a good job, you guys. Like, it really does. I don't have like any residue left on my face. Not much at all. Like, you know, it's not too bad. Does a pretty good job. Like, when I get into my hairline, it'll get dirty. Like, because I have hair gel there. So, yeah. You're wondering, the hair gel is black. It's that Pro Styler gel, so that's why. And my hair is dirty, so that's the reason. Alright, so everything is done. Now for moisturizer. So I like to use two moisturizers. First, I start off with this. After I'm done with my Clean and Clear Advantage Acne Control Moisturizer, I go on top of that with the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Rosy Tone moisturizer. I love their Confidence in a Cream collection. I prefer the one in the yellow cream color jar with the silver cap, but they sent me this one. It does the same exact thing. Okay, so same prefer, meaning that's just the one I'm used to. That's what I mean. But they do the same exact thing. So with this one on there, what I like to do is steam my face, okay? So sometimes I do this. It helps me. I don't know if it will work for you guys, but I'll show you, okay? I promise you it's not weird. I feel like it's not weird. Alright? You can do this if you have on like a mask or something, or if you're doing a scrub or a peel, you could do that if you like. But I like to do it with my moisturizer, so it can really get into like my pores, because it just helps loosen up the pores. So don't be weirded out, okay? So what you're gonna need for this is a little steamer like that. I know it looks scary, don't be scared, okay? And just put it on your face a good distance away, not too close, okay? And then just rub. Make sure you use bottled water when doing this. This is for my thumbnail. Because I'm not even holding it that close. I just love how this feels. Like after my first layer of moisturizer, just let it go. Just let it go. Okay? Just let it go. You can do that every night if you like. It's up to you. But like afterwards, just give it a minute. Give it a minute. And your face cool down. Look at that. You feel it? You feel it? If you're doing this, you'll feel it, okay? It just feels super cool, and like your face is breathing, okay? So works for me, okay? And then I'll go in with a tiny bit of a tiny bit of my Rosy Tone Confidence in a I'm gonna go in with my Confidence in a Cream Rosy Tone moisturizer from Very rude, Lucy. This Nat's rude. I like to use this mostly under my eye area and my eyelids, forehead, and around my mouth. Works best for me like that. And that is it. Feel like I'm glowing. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know what you think about my ideas. There are a couple of products here I would like to show you guys before I leave that I personally do like, okay? There are other products that I like to use. This one is from Neutrogena. This is the Clear Pore Oil Eliminating Astringent. Really love this stuff. I've had this one for about, I want to say almost a year, and that's where we're at. And then this one, this is another astringent. This is another one that you can use, a toner or astringent. This is another one that you can use. This one I get at TJ Maxx. It usually is around $3.99, $5.99. Sometimes you can find it on clearance. I really love this one as well. Gets it nice and clean. Okay, and if you want to go the extra mile, there's hyaluronic acid toner. It's very hydrating. I haven't experienced anything bad with this. I got this one from TJ Maxx. It's by a company called Province Beauty. But, you know, do what's best for you. Those are some of the products I enjoy using on my skin. I'm going to film after this, so I'm just prepping my face for makeup. But for the most part, this is what I do every night. When I'm in the mood, I'll use the hyaluronic acid, or I'll use the Neutrogena, or I'll use the Alba Botanica astringent. Oh my god, it freaking matte. Alright. So again, if you guys are interested in the Coquetta Electric Silicone Facial Cleanser, I'll have a link down below for you guys with a discount code. It's Queenie10 for you to get a discount off of this. I got it. Okay. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in this electric silicone facial cleanser from Coquetta, I'll have the information down below and a coupon code for you guys, okay? It's Queenie10, so make sure you check down below to try to get this if you like, you know, something different to wash your face with. I do really like it. It does a really good job at cleaning my face, getting my pores clean. I told you guys that one little blemish I got right after using it the next day. It could be from it, who knows, it could be chocolate bar that I don't know. But after that, no issues whatsoever. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you think about my steaming idea. You can use this little steamer. It's one of those My Little Steamer Go Mini ones. I got this for like $7, you guys. You can get them in Marshalls, TJ Maxx. And yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you all very soon in another video. I am trying to come back and be on this regular schedule. I know you guys are tired of hearing me say, I'm trying to come back, but I really am trying to make an effort here, okay? Okay. I love you guys for the 4th time, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.